Right. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your different time zone. Welcome to this presentation for Live Good. My name is Maxim. I joined this opportunity on the 30th of January, which is probably now almost 3 months ago. What I'm going to do is just to go through the basic of what Live Good is all about. But what I've found is a very good way of promoting this opportunity. I've registered more than 50 people, just simple doing sharing this 5-minute video. I allow the video to do the talking. All I do is to send somebody and say, hi, Max, have you seen this? And share the video. And the video does the talking for me. The rest becomes history from there on. So if you just master that, you are going to see a lot of people joining the Live Good opportunity. So what we're going to do next is first start with that 5-minute video. And then from there, we'll carry on with the rest of the presentation.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top. Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past
Right. So you've heard from the CEO. For me, that's the simplest way you can share this opportunity. Just master sharing the video, and then the rest becomes history. The company itself is basically involved into products that are very much focused on your health and wellness. That's the key part of the business. And while you are making money and you are going to benefit from sorry, I'm talking to myself. Sorry. Right. So the company itself is basically focused on your health and wellness. And as you have seen from the video, you can earn over $2,000 each and every month without even enrolling a single person. Most of the companies that are out there, just to differentiate what Live Good is doing, is that they've separated the product side of the business from the network side of the business. In most companies that are product based, you have to move a certain amount of product each and every month for you to benefit from the network side of the business. Here, even without even buying a single product, you can earn over $2,000 each and every month, provided your matrix is filled. That's what we're going to go through in that. So as long as you master sharing that video, the rest becomes history. I've registered more than 50 people by just saying, "Hi Max, have you seen this?" The video does the talking. The rest is now the person says, "How do I get started?" Got questions? If they've got questions, do a three-way call with somebody who's experienced or who's been in the business for earlier than you, and they can help you to close that person or help that person to get started. Some people might say, "No, it looks like a scam. It looks like a pyramid." Guess what? They brought the word onto the table. I don't defend anything. I simply ask them, "What's a scam?" Some can't even define it. What's a pyramid? Some even can't. And then some say, "Oh, someone who's above you makes more money than you." And they said, "Do you have a job?" "Yes, I've got a job." How much does the person above you make? "Oh, more." "And who does the whole work?" "You do the whole donkey work." So at the same time, some people don't know that they're already in a pyramid, but the question is which pyramid is paying you. You have to look at it from that perspective. So let's go more into the compensation plan. But before we do so, let's talk about the product itself, because this is a health and wellness company, and the products are quite good. And what the company has done, there is a member price for you registering to be an affiliate. you get the products, let's say wholesale price. And then there's the retail price, which is a bit higher than the member price. But looking at this product, which is the multivit for men, what is it, the advantages of that is that most men don't get the right amount of vitamins, minerals in their everyday diet. And this leads to deficiencies or challenges in terms of health, like a weak immune system, low health, skin problems, poor vision, low bone density, even weight gain, and more serious health complications or challenges now. But what does these multivitamins do? They boost your immune system, support your cardiovascular, reduce stress, anxiety, maintain a healthy eyesight, bone strength, and poor health, and help you in terms of promoting a much healthier aging as we get older. This is my shake here as I'm holding this. All I do every day is just to prepare a shake of that from the product that I've received from Live Good. And the beauty of it, I don't have to be buying products that I don't need like other companies do so that I get paid. Here I buy what I need, and once I've consumed, I need more, I can order. What's the competition like? The same product, the multivit, as a member, you get it for almost $10. Whereas competition, you're looking at about $50, which means you can buy 5 more. And the other competition, you can buy 3 more because they're looking at about almost $30 for the product. That gives you a saving of 79% or 65% respectively based on those products. We've got the CBD oil, which is good basically for joints and all sorts of things. It's also good for those that are aging. Our member price is just about $18. The retail price, you're looking at about $28. And what is available in terms of competition, the competition that we've got there doesn't match what we've got. You can get the best quality CBD oil at much lower, at just $18 for a member. Whereas competition, you're looking almost $90, which means you can buy about 5 for the same price. And the other competition, you're looking at about what? $80, which means you can possibly buy about 4 of them. Which means if you have got people that are already using these products, that's what this is a very good market for you because they can compare with what's available on the market and they get the best quality. Ours is about 750 milligrams, whereas this one for 90, you're looking at about 550, and the other one is $80. It's about 500 milligrams respectively. So you get the best quality of CBD oil on that. There is an ultimate wellness pack, which means if you can order this, that includes the amino acids, the multivit, the super reds, the super greens, the protein, the magnesium, the D3, and all sorts of things. And you can just buy it as a pack and it gets shipped to you. And you just make 1 scoop of a smoothie each and every day or 2 twice a day, whatever you decide to do. But now that gives you a much complete, healthy supplement that you can do for yourself by just juice. And also there is the coffee that you can add into that. If you are a coffee person, I'm a coffee, 1 cup a day for me will do just to start the day. When I ordered my products, I ordered the everything pack. I got it for about $300. And guess what? As you are earning money from the platform, use some of the money to buy the products so that you become the product of the product that you are promoting. That gives you a saving of almost $150 by simply doing so with that. So we've talking about the product. Now let's go into the compensation plan. How do you get paid? How can you earn money? This is a very simple, straightforward plan. All you need is to stay focused. Whatever you decide to do, this compensation plan caters for those that are good at building the business. For those that say, you know what, Max, I'm not really good at recruiting. You can get paid, which means you are more like a passive person. And those that said, I'm not very good at recruiting, but I can sell the products. This compensation plan caters for everyone. Whatever choice you decide to do, all you need is just to be patient, build the opportunity, it's going to pay you. But for those that want to earn money very fast, here's a simple way. All you need is to share this opportunity. Like I said, learn to share the video. All the person needs to watch is for 5 minutes. If it's not for them, after 5 minutes, they'll tell you. If it's for them, guess what? You are already in business in that. For every person that you're going to bring in, the company is going to offer you what we call a fast start commission. The fast start commission allows you to earn each and every week. So for me, I always say, build it weekly and the monthly income will take care of itself. Because if you start creating an income each and every week, guess what? Your system. To get started, you need about $50. Each person, you need about $50. But if you introduce somebody, the company is going to offer you 50% of that $50, which means the very next week you get paid $25. If you bring just 2 people, guess what? This business is completely free for you because you have automatically recovered your $50 by simply doing so, by just sharing this opportunity with just 2 people. Now, if those 2 people duplicate what you are doing, guess what? It opens up more commissions for you, and you can earn commissions up to 10 levels deep from your organization, from the team that you build. All you need is to share with a minimum of 2 people, and then it allows you to access 10%, 5%, 5%, 3%, and all the way to 1% in 10 levels or 10 generations deep in your account. Let's look at how this works out. For you to get started, you need $40 to sign up as an affiliate. The moment somebody signs up under you, from that $40, the company automatically pays you $20 the very next week. And then they pay you an additional $5 because they also pay the $9.95. From that, you get another $5, which means in total, you end up with $25 from the almost $50 that the person started. So if you introduce 10 people, guess what? You end up with $250. How much did it cost you to get started? $50. Now you've got $250. Guess what? You can take from that $250, pay for your yearly membership, and just pay $99. Instead of $120, it's discounted by another $20, which means you can pay $99, and then you are sorted for the year. All you need is to share with at least a number of people, and then the rest becomes history on that. Now let's look at the passive side. For those that say, you know what, Max, I don't want to bring anyone, but I want to be a member, I want to benefit from it. What I can tell you is that if you want to benefit from this N2000 without even recruiting a single person, you just need to be patient, because you're not doing the work. Someone has to do the work on your behalf for you to benefit. All you need is to sit, relax, and pay your membership each and every month. So what the company has done is that in this matrix commission, it's very simple. For every person as they are paying their $10, you start getting paid this from the second month the person is registered with the company, which means they need to pay their membership fee for the second time for you to start to receive commission from that. So anyone that is going to fall within your matrix, whether you brought them or you didn't even bring them, their spillovers, you are going to receive 2.5%. Level 1 can only have 2 people, and then the system will fill. It's a forced 2 by 15 matrix. So if you join a team that is growing, guess what? Your matrix is going to fill up very fast. But if your team is slow, guess what? It's going to take some time for that to grow. So most people tend to ask, how long does it take for this matrix to fill? It depends on 3 things. Number 1, what you do. Number 2, what the people above you do. Number 3 is the people that fall within your matrix, what they do. So if you are not going to do anything, guess what? You are now dependent on the people that are above you. If the people above you are not doing anything, guess what? You are now on the mercy of the people that are going to fall in your matrix. I always say to people, never build any business based on spillover, because you'll be disappointed. You want results, but you are not prepared to put the effort. So if you want, you just need to sit, relax, pay your membership fee. Once the matrix has been filled up to 12 levels, it kicks out that over $2,000 each and every month. Let's say your first month, 50 people fall in your matrix. Like I said, they need to pay their membership for the second month for you to be paid from those 50 people. Once they've paid their membership for the second month, then you start to get 2.5% off that $9 or $10 that they pay each and every, or that they're going to pay each and every month. But if you decide to share with at least 2 people, guess what? It opens up level 13 for you, which gives you an additional $2,000 on top. So how much is it going to cost you? Or what is the cost of not sharing with just 2 people? Another $2,000. So if I say to you, if you can find 2 people and I will give you $2,000 each and every month, guess what? Everyone will go and find those 2 people. So where are those people? They are there in your mobile phone. The moment you open your contracts, everyone has got at least 250 names. All you need to share is to share the video and say, hi, Max, hi, John, have you seen this? Let the video do the talking. If they've got questions, bring them to these Zoom meetings. We do the heavy lifting for you. If those people duplicate what you've done, guess what? You become a silver, gold, platinum, and then diamond, and you can earn up to $16,000 each and every month. by just sharing with a minimum of 2 people. Just like I said, what is the cost of not sharing with 2 people? It could be an $8,000 difference for you, for each person. So it's up to you to decide what you can do. By just opening your mouth and say, some people say, I'm not very good at talking. We talk about a lot of things each and every day. How many people do you phone? How many text messages do you send? All those matter. Is just as simply as sharing an opportunity. These matrix commissions that I said, you get paid the 2.5% when somebody pays their membership for the second month, which means the first $9.95 they pay when they join, it's already used in the weekly commission, which means if you want to access that money, guess what? You just need to share with somebody and build weekly. But for those that are building weekly, these matrix commissions becomes what will start slow, and then eventually will overtake your weekly income as it grows, your business starts to grow. So in this particular example, if let's say you join this month of April and 50 people fall within your matrix, you will not get paid from those 50 people this month, but those 50 people need to pay their membership the next month, which is what in May. When they pay their $10, you are going to be paid from at the end of May, which is the beginning of June, you're going to receive the matrix commission. So your matrix commissions will come 2 months in arrears, and then from there on, it's a month in arrears thereafter. But if another 100 people fall within your matrix in May, guess what? They also need to pay their membership in June for you to get paid from it, which means from there on now, you start to get paid from 150 people in your matrix. And then the system will continue to do so each and every month. I always tell people that once you earn about $100 from the platform, just go and pay your yearly membership. You don't have to worry, because if you miss out on paying your $10, guess what? The system will remove you from the matrix, which means if you activate again, you now might fall under somebody else, and then you have to wait for the matrix to be built. So be watchful of that. So for those that want to focus on the passive side of the business, make sure you pay your $10 each and every month. You might pay it for a couple of months out of your pocket, but from there on, the moment you have got about 40 people in your matrix, guess what? The business is just good as free. What I was trying to encourage people is never leave money onto the table. There is a lot of money that's available in this 2x15 for matrix, but most people might focus on the $2,000 and forget that there is potentially 16,000 that you can earn from it. That's why I say, how much does it going to cost you by just sharing with just 2 people? Those 2 people can grow the business and allow you to earn over $16,000 each and every month. So let's look at how the matrix is filled. So the moment you on every Thursday after the cutoff, the people are placed in the matrix. If you're fortunate, 2 people might spill over into your matrix. If you have introduced them, you'll find that on level 1, there are going to be 2 people that fall within your matrix. So level 1 is filled at that very moment, which means those 2 people also need their own 2 people, whether they introduce them or they spill over. When there are 4 people on level 2, your level 2 is filled, and it continues to double all the way to level 15. But for those that are focusing on just earning $2,000 each and every month, that's fine. The system will not stop filling level 13. Because you have not shared this opportunity with at least 2 people. Guess what? That's a loss of $2,000 that you are going to incur, which means never leave any money on the table. Each person just on level 13 is going to cost you $1,000 each and every month by just sharing just 2 people. I always say to people, charity begins at home. Start within your own household. Share with 2 family members who are 18 and above. By doing so, you are now allowing yourself to access level 13. And guess what? That potential can give you $4,000 each and every month. If this is duplicated, guess what? It allows you to access level 14. That's an additional $4,000 on top of the income of being at level 13. Level 15 is the diamond, which means that if you don't focus on helping or building a team, you are losing another $8,000. In total, how much are you? Yes, you might earn $2,000 each and every month. You are going to leave $14,000 on the table each and every month because you decided not to share with just a minimum of 2 people. That's the cost of it. $14,000 you are going to leave onto the table by deciding not to share with just 2 people. That's all it's going to cost you. I don't know whether you want to that each and every month, but that's potentially what is going to cost you. The system is built for longevity. It's going to be here for a very, very long time. These are not some of these opportunities that we say that give you 5, 10, 15% and whatever it is. Then 3 months down the road, boom, they disappear with everyone's money. The system is sustainable. Why is this going to be sustainable is that you can get paid from 15 levels deep. And how is the company going to sustain? Because it's a subscription. That's why the companies like Amazon, the Zoom that we're using, the Netflix are sustainable because each and every month people pay these $10. You're already paying this money one way or the other. Whether you're subscribing to a TV channel, whether you're paying for your car insurance, or health insurance, whatever it is that you are paying monthly for, you are already doing it. But most of those things only benefit you when there is an incident. That is, if your car gets stolen, or maybe someone is bumped into your car, or you're involved in an accident, that's when the benefit comes. But you might pay for the next 10 years for car insurance. Guess what? If you default maybe 2, 3 months, guess what? They cancel. They forget about those 10 years. Here, by just paying $10 each and every month, guess what? You can potentially earn over $16,000 if you share with others. But if you decide you don't want to share, guess what? Yes, you earn that $2,000. Like, where does the money come from that $10? The company can only pay 15 levels above you from the $10 that you pay each and every month, which means from that $10, they only need $3.75 because you can only pay once per each level. But you can benefit several times from each level because on level 8, there could be 256 people. Each person is going to pay you 25 cents. On level 12, there could be 4,098 people. Each person is going to pay you 25 cents. On level 15, there could be 32,000 people. Each person, and that kicks out that money. That's why this model is so sustainable. You're going to see a lot of companies move to this type of business because it's sustainable. And this $10 you can afford. Like I said, the moment you've got 40 people in your team, this business is just good as free. All you need is just to pay your membership for a year or whatever you decide to do, but it's very much sustainable in that. Now, let's look at income number 3. To me, this is the biggest income in everything that you're going to understand. The moment you understand this matching bonus, believe you me, you build this business. Now, the matching bonus, unfortunately, can only come, or you can only receive it when you share with somebody. This is for those that decide to share. If you are a passive person, unfortunately, this is not for you. But I'm going to share with you how massive this matching bonus is. Now, for every person that you are going to share the opportunity with, the company has made a commitment that as that person starts to earn, whether it's $5 a month, whether it's $5,000 a month, or $10,000 a month, or $16,000 a month, they are going to match 50% of that person's income each and every month, provided you are paying your $10 each and every month. So each person can potentially earn $2,000 to $16,000 each and every month. The company is going to match 50% of that. And on top of that, there is also what they call a generations deep, enrollment generations deep, which means as you rank, the company is also going to do so and give you more, which means as a silver, if you become a silver in the company, in Live Good, you can potentially earn matching bonuses up to 2 generations deep. For a gold member, it opens up 3 generations. Diamond, it's up to 5 generations deep. So for every person that you personally enroll, it's 50%, which means if those people enroll somebody and you are a silver, that allows you to benefit 2 generations deep. And some people you can match 3 or 4 times from their income. So in this particular example, it says, let's say you personally enrolled 10 people, and those people are now earning $6,000 each and every month from Live Good. The company is going to match and pay you $3,000 for each person. Let's say yourself, you're also earning $6,000, just for argument's sake. But because you shared with 10 people, now the company is going to pay you 3,000 times 10, that's 30,000, which means at the end of the month, how much have you earned? 36,000. You see, the matrix, this is bigger than the matrix commission that you're going to get from it. All you need is to share with somebody. Let's assume these people are earning 16,000 each and every month. Guess what? The company is going to match 8,000 times 10. This can give you over $80,000 each and every month if those people are earning 16,000 each and every month. And guess what? There is also the generational aspect of it, which means in this example, it says if you are a platinum and you also can get a gold and silver matching generations, so someone on your second silver generation may also be your first generation gold, your first generation platinum, and guess what? You are going to get 10% for the silver match, 5% for the gold match, and 5% for the platinum match from the same income that some. So imagine if that same person that you got 50% from at 6,000. They are also what? Which means you can earn 10% from that 6,000. They can earn another 5% from that 6,000. Another 5% if they are a platinum in that regard. Guess what? There is a lot of money. That's why for me, this is the biggest income earner on that. But you just need to share with at least one person. So just open your mouth and share this opportunity. And then what? It continues to earn from that each and every month. Now let's look at those that say, you know what? I'm very good at selling the products. I've got a very good customer base. Remember, I said the company has separated the product side of the business from the network side of the business. But here they've kind of like brought it in a different way, whereby you don't necessarily have to buy the products to benefit, but from the retail commissions, even if you did not buy any products and someone in your team sells something, that kicks out a commission for you. But for those that are good at marketing the products, you still get the products at a member price, and you have got a retail site or your retail website. So all they need to say your retail site, and when people register and then decide to order the products, guess what? The products get shipped to their homestead or their house. You are going to benefit from it. And for every customer that buys a product at a retail price, they are going to look at the member price and the retail price. The difference, the company is going to give you another 50% matching bonus for that, or matching income. So in this particular example, let's say somebody buys a product with at retail price of $24 and the member price is $15. So the difference is $8. The very next Thursday, you're going to receive a $4 commission into your wallet on top of all the other income that we're earning. Now, that's a big income of that. But if your team, that's why it's important to share, duplicates what you're doing or what they also do the same thing. They are also now, it allows you, when you have shared with just two people, it allows you to access 10% of what your team is doing. And those that are on your level 2 and that, and then it continues in that particular way. This is how simple this retail commission has been designed to benefit those that have got a very good customer base. Especially I've got some people who already have got customers for CBD oil. Now, on top of that, for those that say, I've got a very good customer base, they've added what they call an influencer bonus. But this is based on the number of customers that you personally have, and it's not affected by the team. You don't get it from the team. But remember, at retail price, you get 50%. But this influencer bonus is based on the volume that you create each and every month, which means if you need a customer volume or retail volume of 2,500, the company is going to add another 10% in influencer bonus. If your volume is 50,000 or more, you get another 50%, which means you get the whole retail profit into your pocket. So let's look at this particular example. Let's assume you have got a 25,000 retail customer volume in a given month, and the member price is 17,000, and the difference between the member price and the retail price is 8,000. Guess what? You get 50% retail commission that is paid each and every week. Now, this is the total of the month, which means at the end of the month, the total volume that you had was 8,000. The company is now going to now say, from that, we're going to give you an additional 40% influencer bonus. This is based on your customers. It's not about your team. That gives an extra $3,200 on top of the $4,000 that you've already received in retail commission. That means you get up with $7,200. If this volume was 50,000, guess what? You get the whole 8,000 in your pocket. by the end of the month. That's how simple it is. Now let's look at income number 6, which is the diamond pool. This is available for those that qualify as diamond. There are 17 diamonds in the company right now. So we'll know by the each and end of the month, the company is going to calculate the amount of people that joined with their $50, those that are paying $10 each and every month, the number of products that are bought through the company. They will take 2% of this and allow those that are diamond to share that. There are 17 of them, which means each and every month. Last month or earlier this month, those that are diamond received over $9,000 for that. That becomes a very good motivating factor in that effect. So how do you qualify for all these different ranks? It's very simple. All you need to do is basically share with a minimum of 2 people, then you become a bronze member. By just sharing with 2 people, guess what? You get your $50 back. The business is just good as 3. Next thing, help those 2 people to get their $50 back so that the business is free for them as well. And you've got a total team of 20 people in your team, you become a silver by basically helping 3 people to achieve the rank of bronze, and you've got a total of 20 team members. If you help those 3 members to become silver and you've got a total of 100 active members in your team, you become a gold member. As a gold member, if you help those 3 people become gold and you've got a total team of 500, guess what? You become a platinum. There are several ways of doing so, but I'm just looking at the simple and the straightforward way. For a diamond, you need to help 3 people become platinum, and you've got a total team of 2,500 people, not more than 500 coming from one individual leg, then you become a diamond member. Then from there is the crown diamond partner. Active members, which means these are members, need to be paying their $10 each and every month for them to benefit from that. Now, as I've said, there is a lot of money on the table in this 2x15 fourth matrix. Never leave any money on the table. There is 2,000 available for you by just sharing with 2 people from level 13. That allows you potential to earn another 4,000 from level 14 and another 8,000 from level 15. Please don't leave 14,000 onto the table. Just share with somebody and you're going to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Now, for somebody who's here for the first time or you're watching this recording, what do you say? What do I do next? It's very simple. Let's go through that. The first thing, if this makes sense for you, get registered as soon as possible. Get back to the person that has helped you or share this opportunity with you. Once you have registered, share this opportunity with at least 2 people or create 2 family accounts, provided those people in your family are above 18. By creating those 2 family accounts, guess what? You can potentially earn over 10,000 every month without even enrolling a single person. We're going to go through that shortly. But what it does is that if you now focus on your main account, the one at the top, if you are a networker, you start sharing that account. Once that account gets to gold, you now focus on B and C and start sharing those 2 accounts. And then because everything that you do from that main account will be feeding under B and C. And indirectly, you are growing the matrices for B and C, and that allows you to benefit from the matrices of that, even though B and C are dormant in that stage. So the next thing is now promote those family referral links after you've become gold, so that they can also get to gold and platinum respectively. Then guess what? It allows you to become a diamond as well and start to benefit tremendous. Now imagine if all those 3 accounts become diamond and you are earning over 16,000 each and every month, plus the metric bonus which you have already. This can potentially give you over 64,000 from this. And how much it's going to cost you every month? Just $30, $10 per account. Now let's look at how you can earn 10,000 from these 3 accounts without even recruiting anyone. So the key thing is now, when you want to get started, make sure you create these accounts as soon as possible so that they go and sit directly. Because if this one goes up to level 13 and all levels are filled, guess what? Indirectly, B and C are also filled level 1 to 12, because your level 13 is their level 12 as well, which means if yours is filled, guess what? B and C are also filled up to level 12 as well. So from your main account, because you're a bronze, you can potentially earn $4,000 from that monthly. The 2 accounts, B and C, are also going to earn $2,000 each and every month. That gives you Now we are at 8,000. We have not enrolled anyone. This is just the 3 accounts that you created within your family. Now, your main account is going to earn a 50% matching bonus from B and C, which is $1,000 each. That gives an additional $2,000. So if you add the numbers, 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000, that gives you the $10,000 each and every month. This is how simple it is. So in total, from those 3 family accounts, you can potentially earn over 10,000 from just a $30 monthly subscription. It's a no-brainer. So please get back to the person that has invited you or share this opportunity with you and tell them where you stand. There are 3 types of people in this world: those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who wonder what happened. The question is, which one are you?